Machiegni kendo nyakwar migao chenro en migao wadhi mbele gi miyo weche manyien. Jatend migao mar yore wuoth Davis Chirchir kod nyawadgi malweny Soipan Tuya otelo e chenro mar yango meli manyien e port ma Kisumu. Meli ma iluongo ni MV Uhuru igeno ni dhi medo bero chenro mag wuoth e nam lolwe. Owinjane kaka chenrono nodhi nyime.
Happy to be here today to receive this beautiful facility that, like Sierra Governor did acknowledge, will go a long way in rebuilding the economy of this great city of Kisumu. Bwana Mainga, you did talk about 7 million liters of fuel that you transported over the last 2 years. Uganda and the northern frontiers consume 1.5 billion liters annually. So you're just doing some 0.2%. There is great opportunity, having developed this facility, to capture that market share. And so it's really great, and I want to congratulate Major General Farah for the great work done through the entire military. My colleague Soipan, there is great opportunity in shipbuilding. The shipbuilding, when we read history, was the preserve of Liberia. And their ships are aging now, and they are trying to abandon them all over the sea. I think there is great opportunity. We do consume some 8 cargoes of LR2, and LR2 does 80 million metric tons or 80 million liters every month, and we do take 8 ships every month. So there is great opportunity in this industry, and I want to encourage Major General Farah and the entire team that this is great business. I did ask earlier PS Mariro about the cost of this facility. We should try and compare our costing with the costing of shipbuilding so that we can seize that opportunity and be a shipbuilding country. We have so much need for job opportunities for Kenyans, and this opportunity is a great opportunity. I want to congratulate you for this maiden great work done on both Uhuru 1 and now the new beautiful MV Uhuru 2 that we acquired today. Congratulations and thank you very much. It is indeed a great pleasure to join you today for this official handover of MV Uhuru 2 to Kenya Railways following the commissioning of the vessel by His Excellency the President in October 2023. The transport sector is the most vital sector in the economy as it supports rapid economic growth and development. This even more so in a global economy where economic opportunities have increasingly been related to the mobility of people and freight. When transport systems are efficient, they provide economic, social opportunities and benefits that result in positive multiplier effects such as better accessibility to modern employment and additional investments. It is for this reason that the government has placed a lot of importance in the development of the transport sector to support the rapidly growing economy as envisaged in the bottom-up economic agenda, Better and Kenya Vision 2030. With respect to boosting the blue economy, ladies and gentlemen, MV Uhuru 2 official entry into the service and our first operational journey on Lake Victoria today is indeed a monumental step in advancing Kenya maritime infrastructure and blue economy. It's also a testament to Kenya's commitment to enhancing regional trade and improving transport efficiency in the lake. As you may be aware, waterways is one of the cheapest transport that we can leverage on and be a competitive economy, servicing the region as an anchor state, geographically positioned with the Mombasa port. Mainga should now be able to almost do a ship-to-door service in terms of delivery of service. We don't want to know when you're using the road to connect, when you're using the railway, or when you're using the lake. But please attempt to do sea-to-door delivery at that very competitive price so that we can be that true anchor state. Combined, both vessel MV Uhuru 1 and 2 will play a vital role in Kenya's ongoing efforts to harness the potential of its blue economy, which includes fisheries, aquaculture, transport, and tourism. In addition, the vessel improved fuel efficiency, reduced crew requirements like we've been told, and enhance operational capacity, making it a more sustainable and cost-effective solution for maritime logistics. This efficiency aligns with Kenya's broader goal of promoting environmental sustainability while ensuring economic growth. James Orengo, when I walked around and I see the kind of welding that has been done here, we are assured of very high quality works, and so that when you transport petroleum products over a fresh water lake, we don't have those challenges that can be pronounced towards the risk of transporting petroleum products over a fresh